So, Simon Bailey don't cry and his blonde host playing close lover, not true detective, all in the bag. Certainly paid to make you disappear or to cover up high crimes, royal blue murder. Certainly not mine, see Prince Harry the Spare for details. No red car, Michael Dunn, Michael Sands, Sutcliffe Steve Wright, Wayne Cousins. Bridie Huntley, Fred West, no Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B. Sandringham serial killer here. Dismason Council, White Lodge, a local mafia, a local mob. In their precision engineered black box, serial killer frame fixed assassination. Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham. Sealed with 7 monster lies, 7 bogus diagnoses, not even Harry Houdini could escape from. Norfolk Coppers, in a 22-year catch-22, complete abuse of power, position, authority and influence in public office. So all in the bag, especially in this Norfolk, UK. One big monster con, monster bluff, and they will pay to make you disappear. That's been a silver Ford Focus, turned the reins in this recently, haven't seen it in more recent times. Again, you can see this Tesco's and Morrison's in their big pick and mix monster deal. Buy one big monster lie and get 2 free. And there was a load of containers, a load of bananas, all getting washed up the other day in containers that came off a ship. There's plenty of people have gone up the river in a banana boat full of mad monster lies, bogus diagnoses and death threats. Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham. No Dis lawnmower man here. So one big monster con, monster bluff, monster gaff, epic fail. That one had number 10 on it. Did have a video earlier, had a Keir Starmer look like in it, carrying 2 bags, 7 monster lies, 7 bogus diagnoses. Number 10, certainly in the bag. Keir Starmer locking up everyone for social media posts. And ignoring all the rape of Britain. But no Black Panther, Puma, Jaguar, Cougar, serial killer here. Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham, really don't think so. And they certainly are facing the wrath of the UK, the outrage in the UK is certainly getting to boiling point. I did see a video the other night, strange but true. I did see a video the other night and I was talking about the real statistic abuse of the groom and rape gangs and what they subjected thousands of young English girls to. One of their tactics was pouring boiling water on them. And while I was writing about it, I kid you not, God is my witness, the kettle turned itself on in the kitchen. That one had GP on it. You can see Dr. Death SS, silver bullet home for details, but no Black Panther. Sandringham serial killer here. Black Wizard terrorist, this shooter, really don't think so. Now plenty of grooming gangs in high places. Their high royal blue crime, New Year's Day fine, goes to Christmas past, certainly not mine. And certainly not me leaving the body of a 17-year-old sex trafficked girl on the Royal Sandringham Estate killing fields. Late Prince Philip's favourite hunting area. See Prince Harry the Spare for details. And that is the word that came off the Royal Sandringham Estate killing fields, loud and clear.